Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Our lesson today, inshallah, will be about also solar system, and we will speak about how long does it take for the Earth to go around the sun. How long time does the Earth take to revolve around the sun? Okay. Our objectives will be, we will know the Earth takes a year to orbit the sun. And the second one, we will know also together that Earth is spinning as it goes around the sun. Okay, we will start together that the Earth and other planets in our solar system also move around the sun. All of the solar system or all of the planets at our solar system all revolve around the sun. They are moving around the sun, and we called this movement revolution. This revolution is the movement around the sun. Now, if I asked you, what is the meaning of revolution? Marwan?
Is the movement around the sun.
Movement around the sun. Very good. Yaqub, you can answer.
Is the movement around the sun.
Very good. Omar?
Is the movement of the sun.
Around the sun, not of the sun. All the planets, كل الكواكب تدور حول الشمس. The movement around the sun. Okay? Bana, say it.
Yes.
Say
Is
it.
the movement around the sun.
Very good. Mira?
Is the movement around the sun.
Very good. Namarak?
Is the movement around the sun.
Very good. Nof?
Is the movement around the sun.
Very good. Zaid? Zaid? Zaid, can you hear me? Zaid? Yeah, Zaid. Okay, the movement around the sun. Why? Because why this movement happened? Because of the sun's gravity and the planet's movement. Gravity is natural pull exerted by objects on each other. We called it a force. Force of gravity and force of go out or move out. Okay? I will draw it. Now, there is gravity from the sun to the earth. Okay? The sun trying to attract the earth to itself. Okay? We called it gravity. Okay? At the other side, the earth is moving around the sun. Okay? Because of this movement, the earth goes away. When these forces are equal, we called it that the earth had orbit around the sun. Okay? Do you understand?
Yes.
Again,
Yes.
if I asked you why the movement of the earth around the sun, you will say because of the sun's gravity and the planet's movement. Gravity is natural pull exerted by objects on each other, and we call it force. يعني بسبب في عندي قوتين، قوة جذب من الشمس للكوكب في اتجاه الشمس، لأن الشمس جسم ضخم جدا وكبير يجذب الأجسام الأقل منه في الحجم، وبسبب أن الكرة الأرضية تدور وتتحرك فينشأ قوة أخرى بنسميها قوة طرد في الاتجاه المعاكس. يعني الأرض نتيجة حركتها تتجه في اتجاه معاكس، والشمس نتيجة حجمها تجذب الكرة الأرضية إليها. عند تساوي القوتين معا ينشأ عندي مدار ثابت للكرة الأرضية. فهمنا؟ Okay.
Yes.
I explained in Arabic and English, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Now we are going to see the next part here, and also the explanation about the movement of the earth around the sun. Yaqub, don't draw Yaqub.
يا معانا.
Are you sure?
ايوه.
Okay, Ali, don't draw Ali. Okay, the sun, it's okay. Please, no one draw as a screen, okay?
Okay.
Now, the sun is the largest body in our solar system, so it attracts all the other planets towards it. The planets are also moving in great speeds away from the sun. These two forces become equal, as I mentioned before. Again, here the sun, and here is the earth. Okay, there is pulling of gravity towards the sun. The sun attracts the earth towards it, and the moving of the earth around the sun sideways motion at this direction. So when these both forces are equals, the earth will have an orbit that moves around the sun. Okay,
Okay.
here also add the second picture. As we can see here, the movement of the earth around the sun. Okay, at different positions, as you can see in this picture. Here also, the planet moves around the sun in fixed paths. We call it orbits. Now, if I asked you, what is the meaning of orbits? What is the meaning of orbits? The orbits are paths which the planet moves around the sun. Here again, the planet moves around the sun in fixed paths known as orbits. So what are orbits, Marwan?
The planet moves around the sun in fixed paths known as orbits.
Excellent, thank you so much. Namarik. Namarik. Namarik, can you read? Okay, Mira. Mira, read. Mira, are you here? Mira. Bana. Okay,
Yes, I am here.
Okay, Bana, read.
The planet moves around the sun fixed both known as
orbit. Thank you so much, Yaqub.
The planets moves around the sun in fixed path known as orbit.
Very good, thank you. Nof. Nof, can you read?
The planets move around sun in fixed paths known as orbits.
Thank you so much. As you can see with me as this picture, okay, here, these are orbits. This is orbit of the Earth, okay? The Earth is moving around the sun, and we call this one with the red color here is orbit. This is the orbit of the Earth around the sun. Fixed paths known as orbits. يعني مدارات ثابتة ما تتغير تسمى مسارات أو مدارات. مدار ثابت حول الشمس. Fixed paths or fixed orbits. Okay? Around the sun. The year. What the meaning of the year? يعني إيش معنى السنة؟ Okay, مروان.
Is the time taken for the planet to travel once around the sun. On Earth year 365 revolving around the sun make 4 seasons.
Thank you so much, Marwan. The year, the time that the Earth take to move around the sun or travel around the sun, the time that the Earth take to make a complete move around the sun is 1 year. يعني الوقت اللي تاخذ الكرة الأرضية حتى تدور دورة كاملة حول الشمس. As you can see here in this picture, to go here and back to its place again. This 1 year is the time taken for the planet to travel once around the sun. 1 year, okay? 1 year equal 365 and a quarter revolving around the sun make the 4 seasons also. Here, as you can see in this picture, we have 4 seasons a year, okay? Every year we have 4 seasons. The first one, if we start now, we are, which months we are now? April, okay? April means we are between spring and summer, okay? The summer starts 20 or 21 June, okay? Then, okay, the sun, the earth is moving, then it starts autumn at 22 September. Then the earth is move to go to this point. Here is the winter, okay? Now, why I wrote in picture type summer and one type winter? Because the part of the earth which faces the sun is summer here, okay? Here is summer. Here in this part is summer, and here the part which away from the sun is winter, okay?
Okay.
Okay, here also the second part, here the earth is revolving around itself and around the sun at the same time. This part is autumn and this part is spring, okay? Here was the summer and winter. The part which is closer to the sun here is winter and the other one is summer. This is 21 December, okay? The last one is the spring and autumn. This part is here, the axis of the earth. This part is spring and this part is autumn, okay? Do you have any question?
No.
No.
Do you understand, all of you?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, here we will study a table after this picture. The table shows the approximate time it takes for planets to revolve around the sun or make revolution. The revolution is the complete rotation around the sun, okay? The complete rotation around the sun. The time that the planets finish rotating called a day. The planet finish rotating around itself called a day. The time that the planets finish orbiting is called a year. Okay. طيب please hear the words rotating with day. Okay. Rotate around itself. Orbiting equals year. Okay. يعني الكلمات اللي وضعت تحتها خط هي اللي تأتي مع بعض. لما نقول في السؤال rotate يعني حول نفسه يعني يوم واحد. لما أقول orbiting like here orbiting means a year يعني يحتاج سنة للدوران. Okay. The time that the planets finish orbiting is called a year. Okay. The time that the planets finish rotating is called a day. Okay. 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 Look with me, please, at this picture. The first one is Mercury. This is the orbit of Mercury. أنا عايز نشوف ملاحظة مهمة علشان هنقرأ الجدول مع بعض. أوكي. كل كوكب له مدار مختلف. الكواكب القريبة من الشمس مداراتها صغيرة. أوكي. كل ما نبتعد عن الشمس يزداد المدار. لما يزداد المدار يحتاج إلى وقت أطول إن الكوكب يتحرك فيه. صح ولا خطأ؟
صح.
Okay. Okay. In English, the planets to make one complete revolution around the sun, the planets with the smallest orbit take less time, and the planets with bigger orbit take long time. Okay. Take the longest time. Again, the planets with smallest orbit take less time, and the planets with bigger orbit take longest time. Okay?
Okay.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
We will check the table together. Here is our table. The name of the planet at each part. Okay. The first one is Mercury. Mercury takes how many days? 88 Earth days. Approximate distance around the sun with million kilometers. يعني طول المدار حول الشمس بالكيلومتر. The first one Mercury. Okay. The first one here Mercury takes 58 million kilometers. Million kilometers. How does it take from our days؟ يعني يحتاج وقت كم بحسابات الأرض؟ It takes 88 Earth days. Okay.
Okay.
Venus takes 108 million kilometers. It takes 225 Earth days. The Earth moves, the distance between Earth and the Sun is 150 million kilometers. Okay? This distance takes from the Earth to move around the Sun 365 and a quarter days. Okay? يعني 365 يوم وربع تحتاجها الكرة الأرضية لتدور حول الشمس. Okay?
Okay.
Please, there is some noise from someone. The next one is Mars. Mars also, the distance between Mars and the Sun is 228 million kilometers. This is take from it 687 Earth days. Okay. Jupiter is moving with very high speed, okay? The distance between it and the Earth is 779. It takes 200 Earth days to revolve around the Sun, okay? Its speed is very high, more than the Earth, okay? The next one is Saturn. The distance between Saturn and the Earth is 1,427, and it takes 29 Earth years. Sorry, here is years, not days, okay? I will change it. Here in this table, Jupiter, okay, this is years, okay? And all of these are years. Who wrote in the chat? What do you want? Okay, thank you. Thank you, Yaqub. Okay, here, look with me at this table. Okay, again, the first one is Mercury, 58 million kilometers from the sun. It takes 88 Earth days to move around the sun. Venus, 108 million kilometers. It takes 225 Earth days to revolve around the sun. Earth is 150 million kilometers, and it takes 365 and a quarter to revolve around the sun. Also here Mars, the distance between it and the sun is 228 days, 28 million kilometers, sorry. It takes to 12 Earth years. Why it takes 12 Earth years? Can you say, Marwan? Marwan? Marwan, are you here?
استاذ مسكر المايك.
اوكي بس كان يسمعنا. مروان.
Hello?
Yes, Marwan.
Yeah,
Can you hear?
yeah.
Why Jupiter takes 12 Earth years to move around the sun? Do you know?
Yeah, because approximate distance from the sun is 779 million kilometers.
Very good, excellent. Because it is very big distance from the sun. Okay, thank you so much. The next one is Saturn. It is 1,427. Oh my God, this is very big distance, right?
Yes.
Very big distance. Here, the distance become more and more with each planet. Here, this distance, 1,427, it takes 29 Earth years. يعني يحتاج لأنه يدور حول الشمس دورة كاملة 29 سنة بعمر الكرة الأرضية. يعني الواحد منا يصير عنده 29 سنة وساترن لسه بيحاول يدور مرة واحدة حول الشمس. Okay? Here, Uranus, take the distance between Uranus and the sun is 2,871 million kilometers, and this takes 84 Earth years. يعني ممكن الواحد ينولد ويموت ويرانوس لسه بعده ما أتم دورة كاملة حول الشمس. The last one is Neptune. It takes 4,000. The distance between Neptune and the Sun is 4,497, and it takes for 1,000. Sorry, it takes 165 Earth years. Oh my God, this is too much years because the Neptune is very away or very far away from the sun. Okay, the distance between Neptune and the sun is very big, and it is 4,497. Do you have any question as the previous part?
No.
No.
Okay, we will check the homework and I will try to explain again quickly. Okay, your homework inshallah will be workbook page 103. Workbook page 103. Okay, have a nice day, my dear students. This is your homework. Okay, wait for me please, I will come again. Take care.